5S represents the first shop floor steps of any new lean journey. The lean 5S steps are sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. The first step of the first step is called sort. The sort step is just like it sounds. The Kaizen team needs to sort out all the unneeded items that are cluttering the work area. So, how do we start? Well, I love the red tag system. A red tag system of sorting is more effective and more inclusive than simply asking everybody to just sort things out. And that's why I recommend a red tag system. Any red tag process is better than none. So use the red tag system that you have or develop one on your own. But here I'm going to describe the most ideal red tag system, and you're welcome to use it. And it starts with the tags themselves. Ideally, the tags are sequentially numbered. They should include a space for the item description, and the tag should list 3 questions in checkmark form. Is the item needed? Is the item needed in this location? And is the item needed in this quantity? Then you want a space for the person's name that wrote the tag and a space for the disposition of that item. Lastly, and ideally, the tag should be a 2-part carbon copy tag. By using this tag, you allow everyone on the team to simply ask questions about the items. Maybe the person's a stranger to that work area. They probably have no idea what's needed and what's not. So they won't be able to make any on-the-spot dispositions about the clutter in the area. So this tag gives them a chance to just challenge the norm simply by asking questions. Every Kaizen team member can red tag items simply by filling out the tag information and attaching the tags to the items in question. You want to instruct the Kaizen team members, when in doubt, red tag it. Now, if you use a 2-part tag, the team members can leave one copy of the tag attached to the item, and the other copy of the tag can be removed and brought into the Kaizen room for team discussions. After your Kaizen team completes the red tag activity on the shop floor, then the team can regroup in the meeting room. All of the carbon copy forms can be given to the Kaizen leader. The Kaizen leader will lead the team disposition discussions one tag at a time. The dispositions are usually pretty simple. The team decides what to do with everything: scrap the item, store the item elsewhere, or reduce the quantity of the item in that location. And if the team is totally unsure what to do with an item, then move the item to a red tag hold area for future disposition. Once decided upon, the leader then writes the disposition on each of the tags and assigns the actions to the individual team members to take the appropriate steps. Having copies of the tags and having the tags sequentially numbered really helps make this disposition process more efficient. The benefit of this red tag system during the 5S sort step is that it's simple, thoughtful, and inclusive. And these aspects will make your 5S results very sustainable. My name is Joe Joyce, and I'm with Tools for the Trenches. If you work in manufacturing, then visit us, follow us, and subscribe to thrive.